In today's video, we are going to show you how to download the Webull desktop application. But before we jump into the download process, there's one very important thing that you need to know. You must create an account on Webull website first, because without an account, you won't be able to fully access and use the desktop platform. So the first thing that you need to do is go to the website, which is www.webull.com. Open your browser and you see that there is an option to click the sign up button. What will happen is it will be forwarded here. You can use your phone number, or if you want to make the account creation faster, you can use your Google account. Once you are logged in on the Webull homepage, look for the download section, which can be found on the top left corner. You see these multiple sections. There is an option for the download. Now, choose your operating system. You can choose from Windows, Mac, and click the download button. And what will happen is the installer will start downloading. And all I have to do is follow the on-screen instructions. Once it's successfully installed, you need to create or log in into your brokerage account. Okay, once the platform opens, you need to enter the same email or mobile number you used when signing up. Or if you want, since you've used your Google account, complete any additional security verification if prompted. And that's it. You now have access to the full Webull desktop trading platform. This is perfect if you're serious about trading and want a more powerful interface compared to mobile. And basically, that's how you download and install Webull desktop the right way. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.